Let me move my screen real quick here, 1 second. There we go. All right, it's a little early for me, but I just wanted to go over a few questions that may help you prep for your day today. Pardon the glasses, these are supposed to be helpful for the light that I'm looking at on my screens. I got a lot of screens in front of me, so I thought it might be good to get some glasses. Anyways, so I'm just going to ask a few questions and then I'll take a break and I'll get back here just shortly before the market opens. I've got a morning routine that I do. I've got a paper that I like to fill out and write on. I've got a few questions on there and just things to remind myself. So I'll just jump into it. The first question is how I've improved as a trader. I might write down a few words, might write out a few sentences, maybe a few thoughts. Doesn't matter, but it's just good to get in your head as far as how you've improved. Now, granted, I don't think any trader is where they ever want to be if you're someone who's committed to growth and process and improvement. But it's good to ask yourself, and it's good to be mindful of how you have improved. Another question I'll ask is, what did I do well yesterday? Now, this is the weekend, so I want to relate it to trading, so I would think about what did I do well on Friday? Not what I did bad, what I did well. I want to feast on what I did well, or I want to forget. I've read that elite athletes who are focusing on their mental game, because really, I think that's the difference, is the ones who are the best in the world are the ones who are top performers, but even more than that, they're top performers mentally. They will either feast on all the things they did right, and they'll forget about the things they did incorrectly. It doesn't mean that you kind of brush to the side. It means that as you feast on what you've done right, in your head, it improves your self-image. It becomes more like you to do these things that are right, that are correct, that are moving you further down the road, getting you where you want to be. Third question is what I will do well today, or what I will do better than yesterday. So first question, how have I improved as a trader? Second question, what I did well yesterday. Third, what will I commit to do well today? Or what will I do better today than I did yesterday? Then I'll just remind myself that why I'm here. I'll remind myself that honing this skill offers asymmetrical risk to reward, right? I mean, if you're trading, especially with a funded account or an evaluation account, you're really not risking much. You're spending some time, a little bit of money, but the reward is quite large compared to the risk. And then I have on here kind of a mission statement that for myself personally, I trade to give money to those in need. I'm so fortunate to be able to sit here in front of the desk and to watch the markets, to be at peace, to be calm, to do our check-in, be mindful of what the market's doing and mindful of my reaction to price action. And so there's a lot of people in the world who don't have this opportunity that I have. There's a lot of people in the US that don't have this opportunity. So for myself personally, I want to use this as a vehicle to help those who can't help themselves, to help with projects that are sustainable and good and humanitarian efforts and things like that. So hopefully those questions help. I'm going to disappear here and then I'll be back here in another probably 10 minutes, about 5 minutes before the market opens.